Hey guys, and welcome to WordsAtScale. So today I want to talk about how to find prospects to sell your leads to. I'll show you a manual method that is completely free of charge, and then I will also show a skill that I have developed to do that on autopilot. I recently sold another one of my Ohio origin leads. You can see the conversation that I've had on the screen. For those of you unaware, I own a few rank properties. Let's check them out one by one. This is Concrete Level in Buffalo. Let's check the rankings real quick. Concrete Level in Buffalo. As you can see, I'm on the first page, position number 3, and I still get lots of calls and leads, mainly because of the way the page is structured. I have service pages, I have service areas, I have a blog section, I have free tools, etc., etc. And if we go to my Google Search Console, Concrete Level in Buffalo, we can see that despite being in the top 3, I'm still getting daily clicks and impressions. Let's check out another one of my ranking properties. This one is Concrete Level in Colorado Springs. Here I'm actually ranking number 1 above everyone else, which is amazing. Let's check out the stats. And this is looking quite healthy, if I may say so myself. Clicks and impressions on a daily. This is how the website looks like. Again, amazing structure. Now I also own 2 directories. My Ohio hoarding-cleanup directory with the amazing admin panel where I also track leads and calls. Let's check that one out. And that's the one I sold the lead for $200 for. And as you can see, I'm ranking on the first page in multiple places, actually. So this is me. This is me again, which is amazing. Let's look at the stats, because people have been accusing me of this website being a dead website, which cannot be further from the truth. This is the stats for the website, as you can see, nice and steady traffic. And finally, I have recently launched a New Zealand plumbing directory, since I live in New Zealand now. And what's amazing is that this one is already getting a lot of traction. So this is a newer website. As you can see, it looks amazing. I haven't built a single backlink. I'm just following my own process. So if you go to one of my classrooms called Paper Lead Ninja and go to how to create a directory with Claude, I actually give away a 30-page master document that you just feed to Claude, give it your niche, and Claude is going to build you a directory similar to this one or this one. Now, let's go back to our topic for today, which is finding the leads. And to find the leads, you can tackle these from different angles. I prefer a very simple, very logical one. So for me, I don't ever try and reach out to people on the first page. I only reach out to people on the second page and beyond. Yet I need some sort of a filtering mechanism to see if they are willing to pay. And my filter of choice is them spending money on the ads. So let's use the same Concrete Level in Colorado Springs example. I'm using a free Chrome plugin called Search Simulator since I'm not in the US. So I'm checking the seed term again myself at position number 1. A1, which is a huge company, very little sense in trying to approach them. Then if I go straight to page 2, now what I'm looking for is 2 things. First off, I want to see local suppliers. So homeview.com doesn't look like a local supplier. Keystone Mudjacking might be a local supplier that I'm looking for. So all I have to do is copy the name, then go to a website called adtransparency.google.com. Make sure you switch these to ads in the United States, all topics, and then I type in the company name, and here it is. Just double check that that's the website. And as you can see, they're actually running paid ads, which means that they meet 2 out of 2 criteria. They are on the page 2 for the seed key term, and they are invested in the ads. Let's look at another candidate, TK Concrete Lifting. So these guys, they look very local to me. You can visit their website, a guy named Travis running this operation. Then if you go to counties, you can see they're actually servicing Colorado Springs. So they're a good match and they're on the second page. So once again, all you have to do is go back to the ad transparency, make sure it says United States. Then TK Concrete Lifting, again, they are running ads. That means they constitute a perfect candidate. And now what you do from here on is you go to your virtual number provider of choice and you transfer all the calls to them, appending all of your calls with a short audio message that before they pick up, they can hear that this lead has been generated by concrete leveling Colorado Springs. And once they get enough of these leads, you can actually actively pursue them. Now, I've created a separate skill that I will make available to my community members. This skill is called Local Ad Gap Finder. This requires DataForSEO API to check the SERPs, and it also uses the Ad Transparency Center, so you just run it for your seed key term. It does its job, and it suggests several tiers. Tier 1 is true local advertising, page 2 plus. So this is the first candidate. And also they came up with tier 3, regional advertisers chasing the term, CS adjacent, not CS based, and finally tier 3, poor fit, noted briefly. As you can see, this is being output with all the necessary information to actually contact these guys. You get their domain, the phone number that you can either call or SMS, which is amazing. And this is how you decide on which local contractors, local small businesses to pursue once you start getting the leads. Once again, this is going to be part of my pay-per-lead ninja course, which teaches you how to find niches, how to validate them, how to create lead gen websites with just a single cloud prompt, how to create a directory with a single cloud prompt. Not only that, get access to my flagship search gap method, to my Cloud SEO autopilot that helps you run your niche websites, and much, much, much more. Hope this was helpful, and I'll see you soon. Cheers.